Hey my YouTube boo's, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, child, don't mind my edges, child. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I decided to film me prepping my skin for my laser appointment in the morning. So basically, I'm just gonna steam my skin right now and I'm going to do a deep pore treatment mask. So this is me just steaming my skin right now. I didn't go into detail because I already have a video of me steaming my skin already. So I will leave that down in the description bar below. So yeah, this is basically just me steaming my skin. I think this takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It gives you steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, I'm just going to go in with my Origins mask. This is a deep pore cleansing mask that I did get from Sephora charcoal mask. So I'll leave that on my face for about 5 to 10 minutes after my steam treatment. And now that my skin is all nice and clean, I'm going to do my night skincare routine. And this is the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Oil. Gosh, this stuff is so good. And then I go to the Be Hydrate Intensive Hydration Serum. And I apply that to my face as well. And get that all in there. And after that, I move on to my TLC Fan Brew Night Serum. Drunk Elephant has like a pretty good line. And then after that, I go in with my Protini Polypeptide Cream. This just adds moisture. And then I'm going to go in with my Lotus Youth Preserve Night Facial Cream. And this adds like an extra boost of moisture. My skin, I feel like, dries out over the night. So that's why I'm adding a lot of moisture. And then I just take my Mario Badescu spray and just set all of that in there. I did forget to add my rosehip seed oil. And I'm just going to put that in there. And then my Night's Eye Cream by Drunk Elephant. I left that out too. So my C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. So you just see me apply that now. Hey my YouTube boos, good morning. So last night I had filmed my process of how I prep my skin the day before I go to laser. So my steam treatment and like my mask and all of that. So now I'm headed to my appointment. This is my 13th treatment. My skin is looking pretty good. Some of the hair on my skin like started growing back like, on the chin area and like a little bit on the side. So we're probably gonna have to take the settings up today. I know my face looks dry as hell right now, but you know I have to have a dry face. So I just washed my face this morning and got like all the oils and stuff that accumulate during the night. So yeah, we're about to head there now, and I will see you guys when I get there.
Do the test spot along your jaw here first, okay?
It's a little hot.
It's hot. Yeah. It is hot. It's one higher from last time.
Okay.
Does the hotness go away or is it still bugging you in that area?
It goes away.
So it's up to you if you want to keep it here. We can take breaks, or if you want to...
Let's keep it there because I'd rather be effective than
Everybody's a little different. So we'll keep it here. If you need a break, just let me know. two at a time on the upper lip, okay? Have a good rest of your day.
You too. All right, boo. So yes, that was my 13th treatment. And the results are pretty good. I think the key to laser hair removal is just staying consistent throughout the whole process, because everybody is not the same. Some people are going to need more treatments than others. So we took the settings up today and the reactions are really good. Like, my skin reacted really good to it. I'm going to try to find a picture from when I first started getting laser last year until now. I was so dark, like around these areas right here. I had so much hyperpigmentation and just razor bumps and razor burn, and just like my skin looked really bad. But like now it's like so clear and everything. So just staying consistent. I don't know how many other treatments I'm going to need, because I took like, since I last got laser, it was like 6 weeks ago, and like hair started peeking back through the chin area and like the jawline area. So we're gonna start doing 4 weeks again and just see how that goes. So I will probably be vlogging that as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, just make sure you like and comment down below. And I will link my steam treatment. So I did a steam treatment last night and I filmed that for this video today. I will link the last one in the box below so you guys can see where I got my steamer from and all that stuff. And I will link my other previous laser hair vlogs and videos also down in the description below. And I will see you boos in the next video.